Armored Mercedes G-Class Limousine. The Mercedes G-Class has long been a symbol of power, prestige, and rugged capability. Celebrities love it, royalty trusts it, and the world recognizes it instantly. But when this iconic SUV is stretched into a limousine and armored to military-grade standards, it transforms into something beyond luxury. It becomes a rolling fortress for the elite. From the outside, the armored G-Class limousine looks like a bold, commanding presence on the road. Its boxy design, a signature since the 1970s, now extended with limousine proportions, gives it an even more intimidating look. Thickened panels, reinforced bodywork, and dark-tinted ballistic glass windows reveal that this isn't just about style. It's built for protection. Whether pulling up outside a red carpet event in Los Angeles, or escorting a high-profile figure through unstable regions, this limousine makes one thing clear: its passengers are untouchable. Step inside, and the contrast is striking. From the rugged, military-inspired exterior, you're immediately transported into a sanctuary of comfort and indulgence. The cabin is designed as a private lounge, featuring reclining captain's chairs wrapped in the finest leathers, diamond-stitched patterns, and contrast piping for a truly bespoke feel. A central console often includes a minibar, touchscreens, and hidden compartments for personal security needs. The entertainment system is cutting-edge: multiple 4K screens, satellite connectivity, a high-end surround sound system, and even the option of a built-in PlayStation or Xbox for long journeys. LED mood lighting runs along the ceiling, and fiber optic stars create a Rolls-Royce-like starlight effect, ensuring the cabin feels as exclusive as it is secure. Of course, the highlight is the armor itself. These G-Class limousines are typically built with B6 or B7 level armoring, capable of withstanding high-powered rifles, grenade blasts, and explosive devices. Bulletproof glass up to 2 inches thick, run-flat tires that can keep going even when punctured, and reinforced floors that resist landmines. These are standard features for many builds. Yet, from the outside, the vehicle still looks sleek and stylish, hiding its true military-grade capabilities. Performance remains uncompromised. With Mercedes' twin-turbocharged V8, or even a V12 under the hood, this limousine delivers more than enough power to move its armored weight with authority. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures traction on any surface, while advanced suspension modifications keep the ride surprisingly smooth for passengers. Who buys a vehicle like this? Heads of state, international business magnates, and celebrities who want not only the luxury of a limousine but also the absolute assurance of safety. In places like the Middle East, Africa, and even Hollywood, the armored G-Class limousine has become the go-to choice for those who live life at the very top, but also in the spotlight. In 2025, the armored Mercedes G-Class limousine represents the perfect marriage of brute force and refined luxury. It's a vehicle that doesn't just carry passengers, it protects them like no other, while still offering the glamour and prestige of one of the world's most iconic luxury brands.